start again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. So, probably just a quick one today, guys. I've had a couple of exciting packages turn up that I'm going to show you. So these are from Kiki London. So this is Kiki London's brand new autumn collection. I don't know if any of you remember, I got their summer collection, exotic summer collection this year, and it was a stunning set of gel polishes. So this is the Kiki London. These are new as well. They brought these out in summer, brand new packaging, brand new bottles, bigger bottles, 15ml. Yeah, I really like this packaging. I like it a lot. So, quickly, colours. We've got apricot blush, sage green, dusty pink, violet vamp, Persian plum, and vanilla latte. Latte, however you want to call it. So, I'm just going to give these a quick swatch and just move these gels out the way for a second. Got another package. This is exciting. Right, this is their Pro Range Nail Art Brush Set. And this is the Pro Range French. Wow, right, let's have a look at this French one first. Do you know, I had a French brush a couple of months ago and there was a little hair sticking out of it. And I tried to trim it and I wrecked it. I was gutted. Because these make French tips so easy. I like this. They're branded. Oh, wow. Look at this. So what I used to do with mine, I will show you. I am going to use all this in another video. I use this. I normally just dab it in the paint. And then I just mark it on that side. Flip my brush over. Mark it on that side. And you just get that perfect French. You can have it like a shorter one, or you could turn it that way and have it as a deeper one. They're just really good for marking out, and it gets each side the same. I love it. So they all come in these little protective tubes. I like that. So firstly we've got ombre brush. Oh, this looks nice. Yeah, this looks nice. It's got nice length bristles on it. Cool. Then we've got round, 01 round. Oh, so this is like a really mini little gel brush. These are perfect for getting in your little cuticle areas or painting. Eehee, that's cute. That's really itty diddy. Right, then we've got detail brush. Oh, look at the size of this. It's hard to get a grasp of how small things are. This is itty bitty diddy. Look at the tiny detail you could do with that. That is diddy. I would say that's, gosh, probably 5 or 6 mil maybe. That is diddy. Right, then we've got an angled brush. So this is a bit like that round brush I just showed you, but this one's angled. Very similar size, can you see? That would make a fantastic little clean-up brush. You know, if you're doing stripes, so just wipe it and get the stripe nice and neat. Brilliant, I like it. And then lastly we have got a stripe liner. Oh gosh, that's skinny. That is ultra thin. So this would be for your stripes. Wow, that is very skinny. I like it. Right, so I'm going to swatch these colours for you quickly. These are fantastic gel polishes. I really enjoyed using them. I have only used them a few times, but they are nice gel polishes. Right, so I'm not going to go in any particular... Oh, shit. I'm not going to go in any particular order. So I'm going to start with Dusty Pink. Kiki gels as well. I find them to be quite a thin quite a thin gel. They're not thick at all. I do like a thinner gel, but they're super creamy and opaque. They are. Just to bring you down just a little bit closer now. Yeah, they are a thinner consistency to a lot of other gels that I use, but I do like that. I do like a thin gel as long as it's creamy and opaque and you don't have to do loads of coats. Here we go, we've got hairs already. Gosh. That's a nice colour. I like that. That is a nice colour, isn't it? Gosh, look at the dust, Aggie. I like that a lot, and that is so opaque. One coat. And it's a really thin gel. I really, really like these gels. Right, then we have got apricot blush. Then we have got sage green. Then we've got violet vamp. And quickly we've got Persian plum. Vanilla latte, latte. Right guys, that's the colours swatched anyway. I really like them. They're quite, I'm not sure, a bit brighter than your standard autumn colours, aren't they? I like that they've included this creamy colour and a deep red. I like the purple and orange, they're great for Halloween. This is a nice neutral kind of colour as well. I like them. I really, really like them. Fantastic quality. They're all just one coat. Nice thin consistency as well. I do like thin gels. But yeah, I really, really like them. I've got a 10% off code for Kiki London as well, guys. I'll leave that below with a link to the website. I'll leave links to this brush collection as well. I think you can buy them all separately on their own as well. All links will be below. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.